Hello guys, as we have spoken before about how to use the colorful lines. Now today we try to go again and see the setting. Now you go here to the properties. Okay, this is another feature of layout. The back color, you can change it, let's say to blue. Okay, now this is, some people they like more colors or yellow, or let's say brown. Okay, so whatever color you like, or even white. But for me, I use always black. This is what I like. So the gradient, okay, it shows you grading from the red and then it goes up. But for me, I don't use. Okay, I use the same color. I want to see the black thing, and I want to see uh, the black color. Now grid lines, you can put them very strong, as you can see, but for me I don't like this. I like to see the grades, but just very little. Simple watermark is that the symbol of Facebook and the other writing, it should be strong. See, they become stronger, there is no sign at all. If you want to, you can take this symbol watermark, and for me I leave them I leave them in order to see which is uh, the symbol, the company name, the sector, and the industry. Okay, and value scale is just to show you. For me, I always like this thing. You can just play with this as whatever you like. Now this is going down with the thing, so I don't like it. Date margin. Okay, you just put the chart to the right. So I leave it like this. I just want to leave some space. Okay, I put it like, I think 10. It was 10. I don't want to change this thing because I put them before. I don't want to change them. Okay, we have finished with everything here about the chart, and this, it shows the price of today. There is something else you want to see. Is here on the top right. The stock has gone $1.91, and by percentage it is $1.06%. This is just information for you, because some stocks, some smaller stocks, you can see $1, but it can be 10% or 20% or thing. Okay. Now, as I told you before, the good thing, if you want to, let's say you are working in a banking system. Let's say you are a banker and you want to see your company. Let's say your company. I will make I will show you how to go there and see your company, and see how it look like. Okay, let's say we go here on the top, we click that near this blue thing, stock. Click that, go down until you begin to see the sectors. You want to see the sector, which is on the left side. On the right side here you find industries. Now this is the banking. Now let's say you belong, let's say your bank is regional Mid-Atlantic Bank. You click that, it will give you all the banks that are in this regional Mid-Atlantic banks. This is the location, Mid-Atlantic banks. Now, this MG413 is the index. It means what is this industry, this sector is doing. Okay, this is the industry. What is it doing? You go back, you go back, you go back. You see how it is doing according to the chart. Now, let's say this is your bank. You can compare your bank with other banks. Is it the same? Is it going up, going down? Understand that the stocks are not the same. Some are going up, some are going down. Okay? So it depends on what is your bank. Let's say this company is going down. Okay, it was like, let's say 23, now it's 18. So you see there is a downtrend. At least you understand. Let's say this is your company. It means it's not doing good in this. What's this day? In this year, it's not going good because from last year it was going good, but this year it is not. You can see even yearly or monthly. Let's say yearly. Now you see that this company was doing good many years, then go up, then go down, then go up, then go up, down, then it's going up. But this year, as you can see, it is red. What does it mean? It means from last year to this year, the stock is going down. This is just to have an idea on how this industries and these sectors work. Okay, let's say we want to just to go to another, whatever if you want. Let's say we give you an example of let's say here financial, let's say drugs sector. Now if you click drugs, it gives you all the industries with all the stocks mixed up. But if you want to click on one industry, it will give you one industry. Let's say, for example, we want everything. We want all the industries in this sector, which is called drugs. And why we do that? We want to compare these industries. Click that. Anything with beginning with MG, it means it is an industry. Now, biotechnology is an industry in the drugs sector. Now, see what it is doing. It looks like it's going up. We try to compare it with another industry. It's going down. It's not so good. It's going down for long. You can see that most of these stocks are going down, and this is what we call the industry rotation. So you see here, for example, that this is going down for long. Okay? Now, the other one is going up. You see, there's a big difference between this and the one. Drug manufacturers measure, if you go to each stocks, you find them almost all going up. But if you change to the drug manufacturers other, they are going down. So have you understood the industry rotation that I always speak about? Okay? Industries are not the same. When someone tells you, oh, the sector industry is doing good, no, it's not all that it is doing good. Some industries are doing good, some industries are going bad, and some stocks are going up, some stocks are going down. So you should understand which is which. And some they are just like this diagnostic substances industry is going up for a long time. Okay, it's going up for a long time. As you can see, a long time going up. The other one, which is called drug delivery industry, is not. It is zigzagging. Okay, sometimes it goes up, sometimes some months it goes down, then other months, 2 months or 1 month going up, then we have 1 month or 2 going down, and now we don't know. It seems going up, but the stocks we will never know. Okay, so all these that I showed you is just to show you that you should have a clear idea about industries or sectors. But for me, most of the time, I don't use sectors. I might see the industry, but the stock itself is what I'm looking for. Because you see, let's say this ZTS, which is belong to drugs sector, drug manufacturers measure, which is an industry. As you can see, okay, as you can see, this industry is doing so good. You see, this this stock is doing so good. I'm sorry, I'm going now to the stocks. Now, whenever you click on the stock, it gives you the symbol, it gives you the company name, it gives you the sector, and the fourth thing, it gives you the industry. Drug manufacturers measure is the industry, and it's going up. Okay? But in order to find this kind of stocks, if you use my subscription, two subscription, silver or golden subscription, it will show you with the training, and it will show you how to search for this kind of stocks and how to find them. Because right now, this stock, it has been going up for a long time. It can go down at any moment. So you shouldn't buy a stock that it is that has gone a lot and the trend is clear. Any person, even someone who has never traded in his life, you show him this chart and you say, what do you think about this? Oh, you say this stock is going up, it's good. But this is at the end. You are saying this because at the end. But if the stock was here, it is just beginning to trend, you will say that this stock is a bad stock, or it will never go up. Okay? So your vision changes according to what you see. But for us, we try to use criteria that gives us a potential or probability of going up without looking at the trend. And this is what is good, like in my strategy. Okay, you can see a lot of stocks. Now let's see. You see this one. This one is the same as the other one. It belongs to the same drug manufacturer's measure, but it's going down. So this stock is going down. It was here. It was 173 and now it is 63. So you understand how much money if you are investing or if you are trading this. Okay? You see how much money you lose. That's why people, they think that when a company is going up, let's say for 1 month or 2 or 3, they continue to invest for it for many years. But it is only 1 year, July 29, 2016. Here it is, like, let's say here, 28 September 2016. You see, it was $172. Now it is 63. If you have been into this stock 1 year, you will have lost everything. Okay, so my always try to see there are hundreds of stocks in each industry. So try to see the stocks. Okay, so the stocks are always not the same. So when someone tells you the sector is good or the market is good, you tell him what is the stock first, because the stocks they don't, all the stocks in the same industry do the same thing. This is what I am trying to explain here, and hope you have understood all these lessons that we have seen here. Okay, and this is the end of this chart lessons. Please, if you have a question about this chart, you can use other kind of chart. If you find a good chart like this, you can do that, no problem. Okay, so this is just the chart I'm using, and the people who are in USA and in Canada, they can use this chart because it doesn't have international stocks, except for Canada and USA. Okay, so thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel and ask as much questions as you can. Thank you.